Are you facing the couldn't sign in error on CapCut PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step solutions to fix it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your Wi-Fi or switching to a different network. Step 2. Restart CapCut and your PC. Sometimes simply closing CapCut completely and restarting your computer can solve temporary sign-in glitches. Step 3. Clear CapCut cache. Open CapCut, go to Settings, and clear the cache. This deletes temporary files that may be blocking the login process. Step 4. Update CapCut. Check if you're using the latest version of CapCut. Go to the Microsoft Store or CapCut's official website and install updates. Step 5. Check your login method. Make sure you're signing in with the same method you registered, whether it's with TikTok, Google, Facebook, or your email. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. CapCut may block logins if your location looks suspicious. Step 7. Run CapCut as administrator. Right-click on the CapCut icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app more permissions to log in. Step 8. Reinstall CapCut. If none of these steps work, uninstall CapCut and reinstall the latest version from the official source. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the couldn't sign in error on CapCut PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.